No. No, I want a 50 T's, 50 reverse.
Guys, pick up those ice cream wrappers.
If I were a carpenter and you were a douchebag. Hey, what are you doing? Breaking my balls. What's it look like? I tell you, this no-show shit is tough. Deciding what not to wear to work, what not to put in my lunchbox.
You're breaking my heart. You should try sitting here 10:30 to 3.
You got caution amp?
Hey, you know that girl the other night, Danielle? She's a piece of ass, but fucking rude.
It's all here?
You remember to put the spores in there?
That's not funny. The fuck's all that?
Fiber optic cable, high-speed internet access.
A lot of money in this shit.
Oh, yeah?